Y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey, y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with the Naturally Stuff. We gon' show. Hey y'all, so I am back with yet another what's in my bag video. You guys loved it so much. My other one that I'm gonna go ahead and link right here is my what bag was that? My Demare yeah, that bag. Go ahead and check that video out if you like videos like this. But in today's video, I am doing my YSL. Y'all, I absolutely love this bag, and it's funny because I only use it for like date nights or any kind of going out the house dressing up. I do not use it like I would my Louis Vuitton. This is for special occasions, okay? Look at this beauty, y'all. Look at this beauty. I love her. It was very hard to decide between the silver hardware and the gold hardware, especially because I'm a gold girl. But I feel like no one really cares about mixing and matching anymore. So you can just do whatever. I'm wearing gold accessories. I have a bag with silver hardware. I don't really pay attention to it anymore. I don't think people do. Comment down below and let me know. Maybe I shouldn't. But depending on the outfit and depending on the shoes is when I decide if I'm wearing this or not. But you can see she's in great condition because I definitely don't wear her enough. But I love her so much. You could wear her like that, you know, with the longer strap, as well as doubling it up like this for shorter straps. But I always wanted this bag here, and it's a beauty. And if you don't know, YSL stands for Yves Saint Laurent. And I actually, for this video, I wanted to go ahead and find my Yves Saint Laurent perfume, my roll-on, so you know, so I smell good. Because I usually, when it's date night or anything, like I said, this bag is for special occasions. Obviously, I won't have all the pouches that I carry in my Louis Vuitton bag and my everyday work bag. So it is a bit different with what I carry in here, especially depending on the type of event that I'm going to. So I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I keep in here on a regular date night or special occasion night with carrying my baby. I will go ahead and input the information about what kind of bag this is and the size. I believe this is a small. I don't think it's a smaller one. Let me check. Hold on. So this is the medium LOULOU bag. Everything about this bag is just so cute. This is not an unboxing, but it's just such a cute bag, and I just want, I want to share with y'all like the detail, the strap, the hardware. I love the fact that it has this on there to help the shoulder so it won't hurt, but especially for a date night. So normally for a date night, I do wear it with the two straps because I feel safer with it being under my arm. Now, depending on how heavy it is, sometimes I would actually wear it like this and just wear it as a crossbody. But for the most part, I do wear it like this, especially if it's a special occasion and you just want to be a little more classy. You know, you just always have your bag on your shoulder and all that lady stuff. So let me go ahead and get to it and show you what I actually have inside. So it is a snap front, and I still have the actual plastic on this part. I just like, whatever, don't judge me. But for the most part, my bag is usually empty. I don't bring much. So for right now, how I carry my bag, especially with COVID and all that good stuff, I actually throw a few masks in there. Three. I definitely always bring more than one because these things, I'm always pulling it way too hard and it snaps. So I go ahead and throw it. I normally keep it in a small Ziploc bag, but I'm out. So I actually just throw it in there like that. This bag does have like 2 compartments. It has one there and it has the inside part of here. I normally just, I don't think I ever use this, but I normally, once again, just like my Louis Vuitton, especially for this bag because it's so small, I go ahead and just keep my wallet here, which this ain't my wallet, but it's mine when I need it to be. So I go ahead because it's just less weight and it just holds the exact cards that I need, as well as, you know, the cash that I carry, and it just fits like perfectly in here. So I love that, as well as, what do I have in here? So back here, I actually have my key, my car keys. I have my car keys, as well as my AirPods that I normally just kind of hook onto the side, so it's just easier for me to go ahead and find. I did have a hot pink case, but my daughter loved it, so I took the black one. Whatever. As well as I do have my phone, iPhone 12. Check out my video on my channel. I do have, as I said, because of COVID, things are different with usually what I carry. So I have a bottled sanitizer here, and it's actually the spray one, which I feel like is so much easier, you know, just to pump, and go ahead and spray your hands. I go ahead and always have like an extra perfume just to kind of smell good. I do have a YSL one and I cannot find it, and I need to find it, but for the most part, I always have a bottle of perfume, this little mini bottle of perfume. Of course, I have to have a lip gloss, y'all. Like, who doesn't walk with their extra lip gloss? This is mented, and it's actually one of my favorite lip glosses. This is Berry Me, which is really cute. As well as I do bring blush, bronzer, sorry, this is the out of office bronzer, but for the most part, because of this bag, I do not bring like an extra makeup bag because, as I said, it's usually special occasions. But I probably will always put like a pad, you know, like a sponge in there, but I really just bring this for a mirror because I don't have a mirror. I usually forget, so I just go ahead and just use my phone, but nothing beats a mirror for you to be like, you know, just make sure everything is good, you know. Yeah. As well as, I don't go anywhere without this. Gotta keep these pearly whites clean, you know what I'm saying? First thing that people look at, because I'm always smiling, especially. So go ahead and bring some floss. Yes, honey, I don't leave anywhere without my little buddy right here. Yep, that's right, my eyelash glue, because my eyelashes don't know how to act. I told y'all in my last what's in my bag, eyelashes do not have any manners, so you best to walk with it. And then I have my bliss stacks, and that's really it. Like, that's it. I just emptied out my bag, y'all. I have my AirPods, nothing there, my wallet is in here, and that's pretty much it. As I said, I always use it for just special occasions, so it's not as dramatic as my everyday work bag with all the things that I bring in that. But for the most part, this bag is beautiful. I mean, isn't it just pretty? I love it so much. But I thank you guys so much for checking out another what's in my bag. I know you guys really liked it. I know I don't carry as many things as I do in my work bag, but I just wanted to do the another side of how I carry my pocketbooks. And for my YSL LOULOU baby, she don't need much because she just beautiful. She just beautiful. She beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to click that notification bell that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out with me today. And go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think of my boo, Lulu. I don't even have to see, this is what I like about YSL, because I don't even have to nickname her, because she's already named Lulu. Like, she good, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. We gon' show